This is the Iowa Weather Report for Wednesday, August 27th, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, no real big changes going on. We have Cristobal moving off away from the east coast. We have pretty much a zonal flow across the northern tier of the country and a stalled out front around that's bringing showers and storms around. GFS is a little bit drier with this at this time, so most of the day looks to be fairly dry, which is a contrast to what it said earlier. It has Thursday, tomorrow, being fairly wet. So it's very fluid at this point with these chances of rain coming and going. Highs will be mainly in the 70s and lower 80s. It's going to be some clouds. There'll be some peaks of sun here and there during this time. Even into Friday, there's still a chance of showers and storms here and there around, with maybe a sunshine peak or two. Even as we go into the Labor Day weekend here on Saturday, there still could be some shower thunderstorm chances. We're still a little bit kind of iffy, at least, on how big the chance will be. Sunday even looks like the chances of rain continue, although it looks like it'll be mainly late in the day, as another frontal system is going to be approaching from the west and northwest at this point, so Sunday morning could be dry. Then Monday, Labor Day, looks to be, well, somewhat mixed. We'll see maybe a chance of a shower or storm, but best chances look to be at the beginning of the weekend, and then Monday looks fairly dry, but that could change, because look at Tuesday. It's raining and storming again, so this is going to be very up in the air at this point with this situation with the shower and thunderstorm chances throughout the week and into the holiday weekend and even into next Wednesday, which is a week from today. You can see a ridge over the south and east, pretty much a zonal flow still stuck over the northern tier of the country. Another system approaching from the west. Still have a frontal system kind of stalled out. So we still could see shower and thunderstorm chances for several days, but this could all change tomorrow. Speaking of later on into the extended period, this is September the 7th. Now we have a 588 ridge just to our south that's nosing into the state, storm track well to the north. That would mean readings would likely be fairly warm. That would put us with a shower and thunderstorm chance mainly across our northern counties, fairly dry in the southwest, wet across the southeast. Otherwise, no big real dynamic storm systems around. But we have a dynamic trough here at the end of the forecast, September 11th. Trough over the east coast, ridge over the desert southwest Four Corners region, and a trough trying to swing in across the Pacific Northwest. With that pattern, we would have high pressure over about the Great Lakes that could bring in some cooler, drier weather. Heat trying to build over the southwest, and any shower and thunderstorm chances look to be widely scattered and across the south and east. Speaking of that, the south and east was fairly dry and quiet in the satellite image from last evening. Had a few storms in Illinois, back in the plains and around the west. Otherwise, it was just fairly calm and quiet. The Watch 20 map from last evening also is fairly calm and quiet. We have some heat advisories, excessive heat warnings around St. Louis, southern Missouri, down into the Ohio Valley. Some flash flood watches from western Iowa to New Mexico. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Sunday evening at 7 o'clock, showing rainfall could be quite extensive. I've been saying that several days in a row. Possibly 1 to 3 inches possible. Bullseye 5.0 inches somewhere in western Iowa.